Thanks to Brandon at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Sensen shocks and struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today, we are replacing a set of rear struts on a 2012 Nissan Quest. This set fits the 2011 to 2015 Quest, all models. We recommend using Sensen brand when replacing your worn out shocks and struts. Sensen shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Sensen has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The Sensen brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 19mm socket to remove the wheel lug nuts, a 13mm socket to remove the top 3 nuts, and an 18mm socket to remove the bottom bolt and the top nut, as well as vice grips to keep the strut from spinning, and a 19mm socket to replace the new nut on top.
$19 millimeters. Then you got two 13mm bolts. And you got one 18mm. And then you got another 18mm. You got it. And you got one 19mm. You got your two 13mm nuts. And you got your 18mm bolt. And then your 5 19mm.
This concludes our rear strut installation on a 2012 Nissan Quest. Be sure to watch for our front complete strut assembly installation for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.